Welcome to day one of the thrilling 100-day horror series on Phantom Files Official. Tonight, we launch in the heart of Willow Creek, a town now gripped by fear as 2025's biggest werewolf mystery unfolds through jaw-dropping evidence, eyewitnesses, and shocking analysis. And it all began when a local wildlife farmer, John Patterson, was found unconscious near his livestock pen with savage, almost surgical wounds far exceeding the capabilities of any known predator. Bite impressions so large they required forensic biologists to confirm the force would rival that of a large bear, yet oddly, there was no bear in sight, only an oversized paw print nearly 10 inches across, aligned with a bipedal gait that stretched over 5 feet, clearly impossible for dogs, wolves, or mountain lions. As word spread, other residents reported horrifying encounters, pets missing with no trace, fences shredded from the inside out, terrified howls ripping through cabins in the forest, and multiple witnesses described a massive hairy figure standing upright, its eyes glowing through the trees before melting back into the darkness. The local sheriff's office responded with patrols and thermal scans, capturing enormous heat signatures prowling the woods, while exclusive upon camera audio revealed stakes of flashing lights. Deputies shining IR cameras on nothing but amber glints, eagerly lurking in the treetops, but no rests, no clear bodies, just a growing sense of dread. Our team has been working around the clock, casting the enormous footprints, analyzing them alongside forensic sketches drawn by terrified witnesses, and consulting with wildlife specialists, who concluded the pattern doesn't align with any recognized animal, but closer to mythical description. Layered over that is the chilling rumor of an abandoned biological research lab hidden on the outskirts of town, shuttered abruptly after unexplained accidents in the early 2000s. Unexplained funding cuts. Our deep search into public records reveals sealed town council minutes and unverified accounts from ex-employees hinting at hybrid experiments. We'll overlay those lab locations with the map of documented attacks, revealing a near-perfect geographic alignment stretching from the forest edge to residential neighborhoods. This episode features exclusive interviews. One resident recounts flashing headlights on his driveway followed by snarls in his garage. Another describes fleeing in her vehicle after a hulking shape blocked the road just outside town, every testimony matching in key ways. A tall fur-covered creature with unnatural facial structure, intelligent pacing, and intentional behavior, evading capture, tearing gates, avoiding weapons. The forensic team we consulted for this video confirms wound analysis shows claw-like incisions, deep enough to suggest retractable talons, paired with interlocking bite positions, hinting at jaw strength beyond modern canines, combined with chaotic thermal camera footage and animal cam recordings glimpsing movement. The emerging composite suggests either a cryptid thought mythic or a genetically engineered predator. I'll walk you through those clips: bodycam recordings, wildlife cam stills, forensic overlays, all time-stamped, location tagged, and accompanied by on-screen graphics comparing viral werewolf myths to our data, grounding folklore in observable facts. Plus, we'll discuss response strategy, deputies forming roadblocks, livestock owners investing in high-power cameras, residents reinforcing barns with metal framing. Our channel's expert interviews paranormal researchers and wildlife specialists, break down the evidence, weigh the credibility of cryptid versus mutant animal theories, and tease out the possibility of supernatural resonance given the full circle of local legends about shapeshifters dating back centuries. To engage with you directly, I want to know where you stand. Is this a paranormal predator or a science runaway experiment? Comment with your theory, #CRYPTID or #genetic mutation. And don't forget to subscribe to Phantom Files Official. Our goal is 100 consecutive horror investigations, one every single day, building to a final climax. Like and share to raise awareness. Tonight, we set the stage, but day 2 dives into that old lab site, interviews former staff, deciphers redacted documents, and attempts live capture in the field. This case isn't wrapped up, it's just beginning. Stay with us, stay curious, stay safe, but above all, stay ready. Your nightmare starts here.